The Canang Sari are given to the gods every morning by the Hindu Balinese as an offering of thanks for the balance and peace in our world that is renewed each day. Our gift is a drink that is bursting with exotic flavours. Prepare the edible flowers and mint sprig garnish. Wrap a Collins glass with a banana leaf. Fill with cubed ice and put to one side. Collect a cocktail shaker. To this, add the seductive flavours of sweetened vanilla. Real ginger brings a spicy bite and warmth to the drink. The natural acidity of passion fruit puree provides balance and tropical fruit notes. Lengthen with coconut milk. Next is the world's most famous rum, Bacardi Carta Blanca. Foursquare spiced rum is one of Barbados's finest exports, with hints of dry spice including cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg and vanilla. Top with cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Discard any excess water from the Collins glass. Fine strain. Add 3 dashes of Angostura bitters onto the top of the cocktail. Gently tap the mint sprig into the palm of your hand and position in the top of the drink. Place the edible flowers next to this. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.